Hello everyone. We are going on a trip.
What? Did she say we are going on a trip? Far away?
I think she said that to George.
Yes, I did. Isn't that exciting?
Yes, but also a little nervous. Don't worry, Jorge. We will get back soon. I promise. I hope so as well.
Didn't we say we were gonna go camping?
We did, Jennifer. But Hannah is gonna pick us up soon, so we got to start packing.
Say yes we do, because I am starting to feel excited already.
I am too, Jennifer.
Hey, who's got the suitcases?
I am getting them ready, Candy.
Okay then, Jorge.
Yum yum yum, the s'mores, the hot dogs. I could just feel the hunger.
Oh yeah, I did tell Candy to pack the hot dogs and s'mores with us.
Love it when we make s'mores. We will, Jorge.
Classical music, please. Well, it looks like it's time for our final goodbyes before we go.
I see Hannah, and I think she's almost here.
Goodbye everyone, we will tell you all about our trip when we get back.
Yeah, we will miss you for a bit. We'll let you know when we'll return. I think Hannah's here. Sounds like we better get going.
Coming, Hannah. Okay, we have to go now.
We will see you soon, everyone. Goodbye.